Hello all, this is Wood Dweller again. Okay, so today a few days ago, I'm not even gonna say a few days ago, y'all, it's been a minute. I have been partaking in just finding the most unique jewelry online that fit the aura that I want to portray, I guess. And I have been doing clay since I was like really little, especially in like elementary, middle, high school. But I've been finding a lot of really pretty jewelry online, whether it may be like wire elven crowns, wire jewelry like bracelets and necklaces, clay jewelry that has intricate beading, and just like all types of pretty jewelry. So I've been kind of down lately, which I'll share that maybe in another video if y'all are interested. So I decided to treat myself to some new jewelry. I did go on Etsy and purchase from a shop, and this person is in California, I think. I'll put the shop here. I'll screenshot it and put the shot there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. So this is the shop name. The shop's name. Okay, it is a P.O. box. That's the only reason I'm showing the, what do you call it? Sorry, I'm like making sure the focus is good. That's way too close. But whatever. So yeah, let's open. It says fragile. Handle with care. And this really cute, my scissors. This really cute leaf print. Y'all see that? I'm telling y'all, it be the freaking details. So I ordered this, I think the 20 something. Let me not just guess and actually give you the actual facts. Okay, so I'm on Etsy. Sorry, my Discord keeps going insane right now. Well, it usually does go insane because that's just how Discord is. Oh, I see some new ones that I want to buy too. Is this from the same person? I'm gonna have to buy these too. And they're glow in the dark. Add to cart. That's not fair. I didn't see these at first. Okay. Anyways, so the person is in California. Her shop is in California. My friend Candy tagged me in one of her posts, the shop's post, and I was like, oh my god, this is like so me. And then I was like, I think I'm gonna buy myself something from here to like treat myself. And the owner was like, oh, thank you so much, that's so sweet. And then shortly after, I bought a pair of earrings. I did order them. Let me give you all the details instead of just purchases. Okay, so I ordered them April 10th, and they got here when did they get here? Like literally a few days ago. I could check my text messages to see. Oh my god, when did they get here? Probably like 3 or 4 days ago. I can't even give you like a technical like lookup of the thing. Yeah, so I mean, I think I had a text message or like someone saying, hey, it's been delivered, but I'm not sure, y'all. I can't even find it. Okay, so let me go ahead and let's open this thing. Y'all, I did my hair. I deep conditioned, I washed. First of all, I shampooed, deep conditioned, detangled, and twisted up my hair. Okay, so that's awesome. The fact that I had time to do it and the energy. Y'all, I've been so down lately. I'm not gonna get into that right now, but this is the reason that I did this, because I wanted to just do something really nice for myself, y'all. I've been down lately. Okay, so here is the first thing, which is Trader Joe's bag paper. I noticed that anywhere, I think. Watch it not even be Trader Joe's. That looked like Trader Joe's to me, or Whole Foods. I forget. Wherever I used to shop. Thank you for supporting my small business in the like fairy style. I mean the woodland with the little mushrooms. Sanitize prior to shipment. I love that. Did y'all see that? Sanitize prior to shipment. Your feedback is much appreciated. Share the love on Etsy at Nomadic Novelties Co. But I love how, okay, there we go. I love how these little cards look. Whoa, it's like lightening up. That's cute. Okay, gonna keep those. Next, let's just, hopefully y'all can see. Oh, it's little extra little stuff. Okay, was that all? Yes, I think so. It's like more, it's just more of that paper. You can see. I think it's for, what do you call it? Aw. So here we go. Wait, what does that say? Green pendant. So I got an extra green pendant. Green? It says green pendant. Thank you. Let me like zoom in real quick. Sorry, y'all. Thank you. Green pendant. Ah. It will be focused in on my face. Like, why you focused on the wrong stuff? I know y'all probably tired of me in this freaking camera over here trying to focus. Oh my god. I need to go back to photography school again. So I got a bonus necklace, y'all. I'm about to take off the little paper thing. Although that's awesome that you even sent that to me. Thank goodness I don't have my fro on, as though it's not my real hair. Thank goodness I don't have my fro right now. Okay, how about that? Ding 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 ding. I'm just kidding. This is so cute. You know what? I think I'm gonna give it to my oldest daughter because she loves necklaces. Okay, come here. I want to see how it looks on you. Do you mind like getting in the frame? Okay. Here we go. I feel like your head is smaller than mine. Oh. There we go. Yay! Okay, stand there and then model it. Stand here.
Stand where? Right here? Is my head too big?
No, mommy's is. There we go. Yay! Okay. Because I know how much you talked about wanting like the rose quartz necklace and stuff. So, yeah, it just came in the box.
I want to see yours. This one's good.
Because I know how much you... Oh, I don't want to get makeup on you, but still, you're my baby. Okay, back to the magic, okay? Back to the magic. Alright. So, these are the earrings. First of all, I do like the packaging. It's super simple. It's my taste. I always keep like these little extra bits as well as the packaging. So I'm just gonna unravel that. Gonna keep this. This could be used towards anything. Oh, and it says it's her brand, her shop label. I have been wanting, which I'm gonna get my collection up, especially after I move. But I want to get my collection up of really awesome pieces. I love jewelry, necklaces, earrings, rings. I've been into jewelry since I was a kid, since watching my grandmother have like all of these awesome, like she just had rows and rows of earrings and rows of those really small tester lipsticks. If y'all know, if y'all are old enough, if some of y'all are old enough to remember, there were these small little lipsticks that you would get from different, I don't know, makeup counters and stuff, but this was when I was a kid. But she would have those and I would try them on. I was so obsessed with them. But anyways, not to get off course, here's the reveal. How do I make it stop focusing on my face? Okay, there we go. The woodland reveal. Oh, okay, wait, let me put that down. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, these are beautiful. How do I take them out? She put moss in there, y'all. Oh my god. How do I... Let me get the scissors and like try to... Okay, there we go. She put moss inside. I'm sorry, but that's awesome. Let's try them on. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to whine, y'all. She said that they were sanitized prior to shipping. That's so awesome. Thank you for taking that initiative. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Do you see them? Y'all. Look at those. Look at those. Look how cute. Hold on. Let me take a picture really quick. Oh my god. I love them. They're so pretty. I know this is really a short video, but I just wanted to share the magic with y'all. I've been feeling down really lately. So like I said, I just wanted to do something really nice for myself. These are going up on my earring rack. And if y'all are interested in seeing like a jewelry collection video, let me know, because I wouldn't be opposed to doing that actually. I can do like one where I talk about the origins of like how I got them, were they gifted to me, or if y'all just want to do like the whole try on thing with, you know, just me being quiet, let me know. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful, and they were so affordable. Like, that's the thing that I really love about that. I'm about to shop with them over and over. Like that one pair of earrings I just saw, I'm about to click confirm because I didn't see those before. I'm about to hurry up and do that, because I don't know if she makes them just like one at a time or if she does like tons of that style, but I'm about to buy these. They're glow in the dark. I'm not showing you. You'll see it. I'll do another unboxing. How about that? So yeah, I'm not gonna spill the beans just yet. But yeah, so this was a really quick video, y'all, and thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to share the magic. Oh my god. Okay, I hope y'all have a great day. Oh, by the way, today's Easter, so happy Easter, I guess, to those who celebrate. I personally do not, but I do have my children partake in, like, you know, the candy and the activities aspect of it. I will share some photos here of our earlier festivities. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm definitely flabbergasted and super tired. So flabbergasted. Okay, anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Again, thank you so much, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video.